How to choose a research topic for a dissertation or thesis. Choosing the wrong research topic can cost you months of frustration. Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to choose a strong, realistic, and researchable topic for your dissertation or thesis, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a vague idea to a solid research topic. Choosing a research topic is not about picking a big or complicated title. It's about choosing a topic that is clear, relevant, and doable. The first step is to start with your general area of interest. Ask yourself, what subject do I enjoy reading about? What courses did I like the most? What problems caught my attention? Your topic should interest you, because you will live with it for months, sometimes years. The second step is to identify a real problem or issue. Good research starts with a problem, not just a topic. For example, microfinance is not a research topic, but factors affecting loan repayment among microfinance clients is. Look for problems in your workplace, your community, your profession, or current social and economic issues. The third step is to review existing literature. Read recent journal articles, theses, and reports. This helps you answer three key questions. Has this topic already been studied? What gaps exist? What recommendations are given for future research? A strong topic often comes from what previous studies did not cover. The fourth step is to narrow your topic. Many students fail because their topics are too broad. For example, the impact of education on development is too wide. You can narrow it by focusing on a specific location, a specific group, a specific time period, or specific variables. For example, the impact of secondary education on employment among youth in Jigjiga City. The fifth step is to check feasibility. Ask yourself honestly, do I have access to data? Do I have enough time? Do I have the required skills? Can this be completed within the given deadline? A simple topic completed well is better than a complex topic left unfinished. The sixth step is to align the topic with your research methodology. Ask, can this topic be studied quantitatively, qualitatively, or using mixed methods? If a topic cannot be researched using available methods, it needs to be revised. The seventh step is to discuss your idea with experts. Talk to your supervisor, lecturers, or experienced researchers. They can help you refine your focus, avoid common mistakes, and ensure academic relevance. Early feedback saves time later. Finally, test your topic with three simple questions. Is it clear? Is it researchable? Is it useful? If the answer is yes to all three, you are on the right track. To summarize, start with interest. Identify a real problem. Review the literature. Narrow the focus. Check feasibility. Align with methods. Consult experts. A good topic is not found by luck. It is built through careful thinking. If this video helped you, save it for later. Comment if you want help refining your own topic. Share it with a classmate. And follow Kuraz for more educational lessons.